This house is not for sale. Beware of my tenant, Baba Beji. This is a two-organ landlord. This one na house abi compound. Person wan sell house, you know see better house wey go sell. Now house wey be say they don't need to write beware of 419. They go don know say na 419 full am.
Eh? God forbid. Baba, which kind talk be that one? I beg, my husband no follow na they do that 419 no.
Your husband no be 419, but na every 19 they go work.
Eh, no vigilante.
Your husband na vigilante. Your husband na vigilante, but na only una get generator for this house. Your husband na vigilante, na only una need the whole house get. Your husband na vigilante, na only you, your pikin, they go private school. How much is vigilante salary? Thief.
At least he better pass you. He dey provide for a family. You will be jobless animal.
They call me jobless animal. Which work your pa dey do?
Eh? No go there oh. Everybody for this company knows my pa and NEPA.
No dey shame. The first Nigerian NEPA wey get K-leg.
Eh, leave am. At least if you come my pa anything wey dey this life, but you no fit call am thief.
Your pa no be thief, but any small pikin club wey lost for this company, na inside una house we dey see.
Eh, leave am. At least he be head of the family.
Your papa na head of the family, but he dey give another man head. Na to call Igwe and give una head this award. Mumu.
Baba, you were the talk. What did you achieve?
Ask am o.
Coming from person wey wear Chelsea jersey. What did you achieve this season? Una wey no get any goals in life.
Oh, life.